Here at the arena in San Juan, bumabati po sa inyo ng magandang hapon at maligayang Pasko mula po sa amin dito sa ABS-CBN Sports. Andre Mulia alongside Boom Gonzalez and promised to bring us food. I don't see any food today on the table. You did! May
But
dala
already eaten.
Nangalahati na.
Partially eaten.
Okay na yan. It's the thought that counts. Thank you very much. Lamang ng 7 ang Ateneo. Ipinalak ng bola. Double block. Liza goes cross court. That one's a little wide.
Valdez sends it out.
You know, she had a great year, obviously, last year, her first year, and then they go to the finals with her. She was what they call parang the missing piece to bring them to the next level. What do you see that she needs to still improve on, though, coming into her years here, evolving as a volleyball player?
Well, you know, there's no question about the skill. We know that she can deliver in times that they need points, but I think one thing she needs to learn, but she'll get that through experience, is that leadership, that authority inside the court with her teammates.
Valdez
On cue.
through the block.
What a save. She saved that possession first, and then it was Zia Vasho pops it up and puts it away for a 7-point lead. Ito yung tinuro na ni Z. And she responds. I also think she has to improve her match fitness. Remember how last year there were a lot of games where she cramped up?
Cramps.
Dahil napagod din yan eh. I'm sure. I mean, sa dami ng linaro nila and constantly going to her as a go-to girl.
An outside hitter, of course, diba? That's her position.
De Leon
Most of the
sends
sets,
it
of
out.
course, will be given to her. Yung fatigue
Yeah.
always gets to her.
Timeout.
18-10, the biggest lead of the match so far. Let's listen in.
Blacker, kinabig mo pa rin eh.
Ay, kaya. Ay, nagbibigay ng puso sa kanila.
Malayo na masyado yung ginagawa. Binitawan na natin agad na maaga. Pero kaya natin i-shave yung lamang nila. Abot tayo dun sa endgame. Bago sila mag-23, dapat nasa 20 na rin tayo. Paano natin gagawin yun? Kanya-kanya na naman kayo. O kaya ayaw ko, kayo na lang. Kung gano'n, tulong.
Coach Oji Mamon not giving up on the set. Even if they're down 8. Ayaw mo naman pamigay yung set, of course. The former San Beda Alabang recruit. Nasabi ni Jem, tinanong ko how is she as a rookie, she said matapang. And she seems now to take instructions really well.
And
Talking about Marge Tejada.
That's what you want also,
Mike
no? If you're a coach, if you're a more senior player, you want a rookie that absorbs instructions because that's the only way you will improve as well. Of course, different level ng volleyball when you come when you get to college.
She didn't start in their first match against FU, but she has taken over the starting role now here for the Lady Eagles as Caballejo. And the setup job here to Z, captain against captain. Paratikla was there. Tinuro si Valdez, malapit sa net. Nakuha pa rin.
Valdez over the
Everything
block.
is going Ateneo's way.
She is such an athlete, isn't she? I love looking at her approach, and it's just... Look at that. Full extension in the landing of her left foot.
Tejada with another good serve.
And a 10-point lead here. Bumabalik ang bola sa UST dito, ah. Good coverage, good reaction, Caballejo.
Oh.
Confusion on the UST side, and Ferreira has a couple of choices. They go to Gretchen. Caballejo. And still, ball is alive. Lantin, reverse set. Coverage was there for Ateneo. Ferrer back to Phil. Sorry, that's Liza Valdez. Caballejo with the left hand. Ganun ang makakahirap kumuha ng puntos.
Oh, UST earned that point, but they're not as organized as they would normally be.
You're right. It was a scramble play that gave them a point. 11 serving 20. Jessie De Leon has had a great first set so far. Easy pickings for Lantin, but an underhand set doesn't work, so chance ball para sa mga nakaputi. Ferrer, be quick. Ganda nung sagot. A great block, double block there. quiet Micah Ortiz so far offensively, and I didn't see her make a lot of noise also in that match against National University.
We have yet to see somebody stand out here on the side of UST.
Except for Jessie, no?
Except for Jessie, who scored most of the points earlier.
Free ball for UST. They're down 8 here. Lantin. Ortiz.
Power tip
Mistimed
by
it, but
Ortiz.
still, it was a point. (13 serving 20). UST getting points on broken plays right now. Valdez, full extension.
Combination play
The
for
defense of
Valdez.
UST just really being challenged by the strong offense of Ateneo. There are a lot of clean hits by Ateneo na dedepensahan ni UST.
I was saying last year, as that one drops
Service
in
A for Valdez.
for Eliza Valdez, who's one of the better servers really from last year. We're seeing, just as we said, the tip of the iceberg for this girl.
Another good serve.
Caballejo trying to fool the Lady Eagles. It was sent back. Gumapang sa net. Lastimosa sends it. Dug up by Lazaro. Phil. Lastimosa to Caballejo. Lazaro was there again. Ferrer quickly to Gretchen Ho. The wise play by Jem
Quick
Ferrer.
attack by Hall.
You see, nakita ni Jem, nagkakagulo yung UST, and what you want is to really catch them off guard.
Mela Tunay, who's had a splendid season so far for UST, checks in for Pamela Lastimosa, who had a great game last time out. May suerte pa.
Service A.
May suerte pa.
Valdez.
As we get to set point.
Ateneo now at set point.
So it's 24 serving 13.
Valdez.
And
Poor reception there for UST. They lost an opportunity. The reception was too close to the net.
not the set that UST wanted here. They lose not only the first set, but they lose big by 12 points. Ateneo get their noses ahead here in the second game of our Sunday doubleheader. You're watching the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament on Studio 23.